Hi, to enable and disable app drawer on your Xiaomi Mix Flip, we have two ways. First one, you can go in the settings. Here, search for the home screen tab. Select it, then go in the home screen and select either classic version without app drawer or enabled app drawer or light mode, like that. So you got bigger elements, more accessible calling, enhanced security. So to enable app drawer, just select this option, and to disable, select any other option from the list. And let me show you how this classic option will look on your phone. So basically, every app you got on your phone will be displayed right on your home page, and you won't be able to swipe up to open the list of apps. And now the second way how to do this, we can simply press and hold any free space on the screen. And here we got the edit mode. We need to select settings, go in the more, and as before select home screen and choose app drawer now. And that is how enabled app drawer looks. So you need to swipe up and you'll see the list of your apps and also categories. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.